Hey there, Reggie over here at Awesome Chevy, Buick, and Chehalis. Today we're going to be showing you how to wirelessly pair your phone to your vehicle. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to your settings. You're going to go to connections. And then you're going to go to your Bluetooth settings, make sure that's turned on. You're going to hit your home button, which will bring you to this screen here. And then you're just going to tap phone, connect new phone, or add new phone. It'll pop up to this menu here for Bluetooth pairing, and then you're going to open the Bluetooth settings on your phone and search for the device, and it'll pop up on your phone, My Chevrolet. You're just going to select that and follow the prompts on your touchscreen display as well as the prompts on your phone. Hit pair, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Today we showed you how to pair your Android device to your vehicle. If you liked the video, please subscribe if you have any more questions.